Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So it is Thursday, so we are adding again to our reference journal. So just a quick easy one today. This is sort of like one very similar to what I did in my black and white journal. So all as I'm using today is one of the papers from my the Cats papers, the Cats Whiskers. Now this paper didn't print out very well. This is when I'm having problems with my printer, with my old printer. So I thought I'm going to use it in the reference journal. So it's just one piece of paper, and then I've just cut it down through here. So I've cut it so we've got the cat's head there, and then just a little bit at the top. So we've got two pieces, and the first one I've just folded it like a little envelope. So if you put it that way, it's like a little envelope, but I wanted it sideways, and then I've just used this piece as an envelope to go on this side of the paper, of the page. So it's quite a simple one, but it's really good. We did do one very similar where we tied it with a piece of string here. And made a little pocket, but this one's a little bit different because what I want to do, we just open it up like that, and the closure, also I'm going to do for the closure is a little paper clip. Okay, so when you're making a journal, if you have paper clips that you're going to make in it, you can just use one of those as the closure. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So and then I'm going to pop a little bit here so it lifts up like that, which I think is going to be quite nice. And the same on this one. This one would have a little closure of a paper clip, which on the side, because I want this one to open up that way. Okay, and then when you take the paper clip off, it opens down like that. So you can put a little journaling place in there, or you could have a little pocket in there. So that would come up, that would open up like that, so you could still journal underneath. And then pop that down, and then you just make sure it stays closed with the little paper clip. Okay, so we'll do this one first. Let's take that off. So all it is, just fold your paper in three, so it's like a little envelope. I'm going to take a little piece of scrap paper here. Now I'm going to just cut a little piece off. I might actually, if you fold your paper in half like that, and then just cut the end off, it's probably, I will cut about 3/4 of an inch, just so you've got, whoopsie daisy, a piece of paper that opens up like that, just into a little V. And then you want to just stick one side here, like that, onto this piece here, like that. Let me get some glue, would probably help with a little, oopsie daisy. Let's just take a little bit of glue, stick that on. Which way should we have it? This way. Stick that down. When you're doing it in a proper journal, obviously use a piece of paper that will match, but I'm just using scraps of paper on here. And then we'll just a bit of glue on here. Oops. And then we just stick that down onto there. And pop it in the middle of your book. Just like that. So use a piece of paper that will match, and then you won't see a big white piece. So just pop that in, and then that's you've got a lovely journaling spot in here. Again, you could pop a little pocket there, little corner pocket on here. That just closes up. You get a little paper clip to pop in on there, and that will open up, and you've still got all of that on there to journal. You can actually stick a piece of paper on there as well to journal on, but I think that's really nice, and it gives you an extra little sort of like flip in your journal. So I think that's really nice. And then what we will do, let's get a pencil in here. So let's just open that up. So don't forget, you can put a paper clip that you make that when you do a journal, which would match in there. So we can put here, which you can have a pocket, and then you could just have a corner pocket here. So that just gives you the ideas in there, or you could have a pocket there, or you could have a journaling spot, journaling on there. So excuse me. So that's a little reminder, and then we just pop that on there, and then you've got that lovely. So I think that's really nice. And this one that I wanted to do, did we have another piece? Let's have a look. Let's just fold this down like that. Cut a little bit off. And we want it to match this, don't we? Let's just chop that bit off like that. So the same again. Now again, I've got this one so it opens up like, so it opens up down, and then I wanted to open up like that, but again you can have it so you've got it so it opens up this way, or you can have it so it opens up that way, whichever you like. But I'm just going to do this one so that opens up from the top. So we need to stick this piece, put that on there, on the top of here. So let's get our glue, hold on to that. Onto the top like that. Put the glue on here. We take this and we pop it onto our journal. So it depends wherever you want to do it. I'm going to just pop it up there, sort of in the corner. So that opens up. Push that down like that, and then that just flops down. Where's my little paper clip? Get a paper clip, and that will just hold that shut. So you can have a little dingly dangly off there. So we've got two lovely journaling spots in there. Plus you've got two whole pages still. So you've still got all of this to journal in and all of that side to journal in. And these are two lovely sort of interactive journaling spots in there as well, where you can obviously decorate them. This is what I was doing yesterday with the little pockets, so you could just do it. So these would be lovely with this decoration on the front of those as well. So just decorate them however you want to match your journals. But I think that's a really quick and easy another addition to your journals. So there we go guys, another one to add into our reference journal. So simple. Obviously you make them whatever size you like. You can make little small ones. You could have like a little strip of them down here, so you've got 3 of them that all sort of like flip open and flip up the other way, which would look really nice. So that's an idea for you. So thank you so much for joining me. I would love to see your reference journals, so do post them in the Facebook group if you're starting to make one. And we've got a few pages to go, and then at the end I will do a nice big flip through to see how far we've come and all the different ideas. So there we go guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye bye.